Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. For Wednesday the 23rd of April, I'm going to be moving on to Euro-Dollar now, and this Euro-Dollar chart is beginning to look a bit more positive actually. The decent day for the Euro yesterday with the dollar weakness that we'd seen, that is now that is now looking like this move that we've seen here over Easter, where Euro was slightly disappointing and couldn't really continue the break higher, looks like it could be forming into a possible falling wedge or even flag pattern, both of which would be positive. Certainly, if the euro could break above this 38.65, that would suggest then that you could be moving quite quickly back towards this that reaction high at 39.05, and subsequently possibly even higher back towards the high 139.67 level. So we need to be watching out for that. But this, if this pattern is to play out as it possibly may do now, the last couple of days, certainly the move today is a positive reaction following on from a decent day yesterday for the euro, back above the previous day's high. 38.30. That's now been broken to the upside in the last few minutes, and we're looking at this 38.65 is the key level now. I think certainly on the daily chart, these momentum indicators are certainly the stochastics have unwound nicely and are bottoming around just above 50. Which is positive. Also, the RSI is looking to turn positive as well. The MACD lines, you'd probably say neutral, but certainly they have the capacity for upside if it were to take. So this 38.65 is the key level I'm looking out for on this daily chart now, as it would potentially complete what could become a flag pattern to the upside. If that were to breach 38.65, and looking on the intraday chart, you'll see that a little bit closer. We've now broken above the previous day's reaction high at 38.30, as I said, from the 21st of April. That is a positive move. We've seen also this move above this 200-hour moving average, which had been acting as the basis of support to these lows, and then sort of capping the gains to the upside in the last few days. But now that's broken to the upside. If we can break back above 38.36, that would certainly improve the situation. In the last couple of hours, the move on the euro has been fairly spiky, and that's come on the back of all this flash eurozone PMI data that's been released at various times through the morning. But once the euro starts to settle down a bit, you could see that move back above 38.36, and that would certainly begin to suggest that we're going to be moving towards this 38.65 level. And as I said on the daily chart, that 38.65 level would mark the possibility of as I said, an upside flag pattern, or if you want to call it a falling wedge, that would be also fairly decent as well. So we're on this on the intraday RSI, back towards the overbought level. So I think if it can now start to push above 70 on the RSI, that would be an indication that the bulls are beginning to find some strong momentum to the upside. So that I would be looking at that as an indication, and we're around about that level now, 68, 69. So just watch out for that happening. If you start to see this RSI on the hourly chart above 70, that could be certainly an indication that we're going to be gathering momentum for this challenge of 38.65 here. Okay, so I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, on euro dollar today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.